Dear students, let us see some more results on limit superior and limit inferior. Theorem: if Sn n is equal to 1 to infinity and Tn n is equal to 1 to infinity are bounded sequences of real numbers such that Sn is less equal to Tn for all n belongs to I, then limit inferior of Sn is less equal to limit inferior of Tn and limit superior of Sn is less equal to limit superior of Tn. So it is quite easy to prove this result. Let us see the proof of this result. So I am going to give you the proof of this statement. The proof of this statement is going to be similar. So in order to prove this result, for better I think I could give the proof of both results. There is no issue. So let me try to give proof of both of these results. So for each n belongs to I, define small mn as GLB of the set Sn, Sn plus 1, Sn plus 2 and so on. Capital Mn be equal to LUB of the set Sn, Sn plus 1, Sn plus 2 and so on. Let me use Mn dash or Mn prime as GLB of the set Tn plus 1 and Tn plus 2 and so on. Capital Mn dash equals to LUB of the set Tn plus 1, Tn plus 2 and so on. Okay. Then since Sn is less equal to Tn, compare these two. Each term of this set is less equal to corresponding term of this set. Sn is less equal to Tn, Sn plus 1 is less equal to Tn plus 1, Sn plus 2 is less equal to Tn plus 2. So from, so it is clear that GLB of this set will also be less equal to GLB of this set. So by hypothesis, we can conclude that Mn is less equal to Mn dash, and same thing is true for these two sets also. Each term of this set is less equal to corresponding term of this set. Sn is less equal to Tn. Sn plus 1 is less equal to Tn plus 1, and so on. Hence, LUB of this set, that is capital Mn, and LUB of this set, that is capital Mn dash, what will be relation between them? Mn is less equal to Mn dash, and Mn is less equal to Mn dash. Hence, limit of Mn is less equal to limit of Mn dash, and limit of capital Mn is less equal to limit of capital Mn dash. Okay. Now, it is important to note that sequences are bounded. Sequences Sn and Tn are bounded. Hence, the sequence, hence these sequences, all these sequences, Mn, capital Mn, Mn dash, and so on, all these are bounded. Hence, by definition of limit inferior and limit superior, we can write, note that all these are bounded, Mn dash, then capital Mn, capital Mn dash as well. Okay. So all these sequences are bounded. Hence, limit of Mn as n tends to infinity equals to limit inferior of sequence Sn, and limit of Mn dash as n tends to infinity equals to limit inferior of sequence Tn, by using definition of limit inferior and limit superior. So let me put this in words. Since sequences Mn, Mn dash, capital Mn, capital Mn dash are bounded, since these sequences are bounded, by definition of limit inferior, by definition of limit inferior and superior, limit inferior and superior, we have limit n tends to infinity, infimum of Sn equals to limit of Mn, limit inferior of Tn is equal to limit of Mn dash, small mn dash. The same thing is true for limit superior as well. Limit superior as well. Limit superior of Sn is equal to limit of capital Mn and limit superior of Tn equals to limit n tends to infinity capital Mn dash. So let us call this result as first. So from first, it now easily follows that limit inferior of Sn is less equal to limit inferior of Tn, and it is less equal to and limit superior of Sn as n tends to infinity is less equal to limit superior of Tn. So this completes the proof of our required result. We will see some more results in next lecture. Thank you.